Good morning, sir. My name is Christian Silagnagan, and I am a student in Sec2 Public Relations and Practice. My learning about your subject is the goal of the public relation was to provide an accurate information to organizations of stakeholders. Then I learned that the public relation is become formal profession in America between late 1800s and 1900s. Then I learned that the year of 1800s were used to encourage settlements in the American West, while the 1800s are also known age of the press agents. And also the public relations began to increasing identify themselves as a business of the first agent and communicator for seconds. Then the public relations become more concerns with establishing measurable objectives with the organization goals and investment. So for me, public relation in practice is good for the business, because it gain more about information and communication with others, because sa panahon natin ngayon is if wala kang connection is maybe babagsak yung negosyo mo and your business. So sa aking palagay lang po is yung public relations and practice is more about relationship with the employee or even partners in the business. So more partners, more money you can gain. And if you have a communication with the others, so posible talaga na mas lalago talaga yung goal mo. Then if you have a goal na gusto mo makamit, yung minimithi mo, if you have a goal, you need to become a obey person and be humble. Then para sa akin is dapat maging competitors ka with the other business men, so that kasi dito sa business is palaguan ito palaguan. Then yan yung pagkaintindi ko about public relations and practices. So and and also some of the main goals of public relations are to create, maintain, and protect the organizations. Then the most important part of the public relation is to understanding the target audience. The understanding the target audience that's the most important part of any successful public relations strategy. So that's why house great, that's kung yan yung mga importante na kung paano yan ang mga importante na ginagawa ng public relations and yan yung ginawa ng public relations and practices. So yan yung mga functions, and that's yan yung mga functions of every yan lang po, at maraming salamat po.